Nice, nice. All right, so I'm Malik Mattan. I'm a creative director at BrandXR and co-founder at Electrifly Collective. Today, I'm just going to be talking about what we do and showing you some of our augmented reality art experiences. So everything we do is virtually. We have offices here in Ann Arbor and art and development team down in Orlando. And we create a variety of XR solutions for these like use cases that you see here. And today I'm going to be talking about the virtual education and art and marketing experiences. Also, the BrandXR studio, just a little bit of background about that. That is a no-code augmented reality creation platform. It allows people to create AR experiences and apps in a lot less time than it would take with like a team of developers and everything. So over the years at Electrifly, we've been focused on art and marketing experiences, and BrandXR is mostly like it's just like all around like branded experiences. We do pretty much everything that you see here. And this kind of tells you just like a little bit about the benefits of the studio. So it would normally take someone like somewhere around 100K to create an augmented reality app, where it could take you a lot less time and a lot less resources in something like the BrandXR studio. And these are a few experiences that we've created using this technology. This is for Wayne State. We did this molecule viewer that allowed people to just like see the changes in proteins in the molecules. And then this here was a virtual driving simulator we did with Professor Randy Camasaris. It allowed him to measure the effects of drugs and alcohol on
Did he freeze or is it my computer?
I think it's him.
Oh no.
Yeah, he froze.
Okay, I was gonna say, I was like waiting. I was like, was this me? Let me message him. Is he still there?
Yeah, it's probably just disconnected. I had it during my class too. Prof would just freeze every once in a while, and
Oh really?
yeah.
Text him. That's cool though.
Yeah, it looks really cool. I love the 3D model of the chemical. Looks like
He had this, yeah, his computer just restarted out of nowhere, so please hold. It's like, that's the issue I've been having. Okay. I'm a pause.
yeah,
It happened.
that's wild. But yeah, I think I was
You're on the molecules
yeah.
or the drunk driving.
Yeah, am I still screen sharing? Not yet.
I just gave you access.
Okay, nice. All right. Yeah, so this thing we did with Randy was really cool. He pretty much got people like drunk on campus at Wayne State and measured their reaction times in this driving simulator. And we made it small enough pretty much so he could fit it in the back of his van and take it anywhere. So he can take it to colleges and really, show the impact of drunk driving. And he's also using it for marijuana and trying to put like a limit on that if there is one. Did that just happen again? No, okay.
Oh no. I think we lost him again. And that's why you gotta do karaoke.
Uh-oh.
I know. I think so. I think Canva's killing his computer.
Could be.
Could it also just be like the weather? Like maybe just
Possibly.
not wanting to let him connect.
No.
It's the gods.
They want us to have a full snow day and not do any work today.
I know.
Thanks.
Well, while he's reconnecting, we had a fun idea for fundraisers. I think we were going to talk about this in the general body meeting, but
I'll just pull up. Do you want me to just pull up like the agenda, I guess, so far, or like just the
yeah, sure. Just pull it up. We'll hold on to the agenda, and we'll wait for him to connect and see if he can go through that.
I was gonna say we can kind of talk about like some stuff. I guess. Is he back or no? No, he's- Oh,
No, yeah, no.
hey.
Hey, sorry about that. They switched laptops now.
I was like, his brother's joining.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I think my computer did not like that slide.
But I had a feeling that was gonna happen again.
Yeah, but all good. Let me just keep going then. But yeah, I was a student at Wayne State like a couple years ago. I like just graduated in 2019, right before all the COVID stuff. So you guys are doing it. It's crazy.
Ryan.
Yeah. But yeah. So I told you about the augmented reality murals a little bit. This was a project we did down in Orlando. It was our third project, and we were pushing our capabilities to the max. We put like 19 interactive elements in there, so there's like 19 different things the user can tap on and see like different animations. And Kelly, I think, posted this one of our mural game that we had down in Sterling Heights, and that was cool. That was the first game we've done. I think I can probably show you guys the video. And
people of all ages can kind of pick up this technology and, immediately get into the experience.
This is something that's totally new.
Interacting with the art in a new way.
yeah, so this was super fun. This was with a local artist in Michigan, and that's kind of what we do at Electrifly is we partner with a lot of different muralists and bring their art to life, and we create merchandise and different takeaways from that. And the concept has grown to kind of citywide immersive art festivals. So this is almost like a scavenger hunt where people can go around and explore new places, learn about them, or just see some cool art while they're like walking around the city. So this is one we did out in Orlando. This is kind of a longer video, but it was about 10. Here, I'll let him talk
You go
about
up and then you see your installation. It's fully animated, it's 3D, and it is a rendering of the mural that used to be here. So now we have it forever in augmented reality. The concept was, let's do an outside museum where the pieces are permanent, it's all virtual. All you need is your phone. There's no other city in America yet creating a citywide public art augmented reality museum. At any moment, the people can come and experience it. That's why we think this has like a really good potential. I'm Patrick Kahn. I'm the founder.
Yeah, so that was really cool because it showed the impermanence of art, kind of, and what you can do with this XR technology to keep art alive in different areas, or just add to them. And here in Detroit, we have taken that concept and launched the Electrifly Detroit Mural Festival. So we partnered with a few different artists, local artists here, and flew in a couple different artists to paint some really cool, intricate murals. And we animated them. We've created these like 3D characters that kind of pop on to the mural when you scan them in the Electrify app. And if you guys scan this QR code here, you can see one of our animated characters on Instagram. This is for Color the Creek. It's a mural festival out there. So we partner with a lot of different art and art brands just to bring their visions to life. And we've taken it pretty far. This is one we've done out in Hawaii for the Rotary International Club. This one has a fun video.
AR was something I was very curious about. Having the AR pop up on the mural was just something so amazing to me. It almost brought me back to being a child and being amazed at something that you haven't seen before. The experience of going through the AR process was something new to me, but it was so smooth. Electrifly and the team affiliated with them, Rotary International, that sponsored Powwow Worldwide. They were just so amazing and knowledgeable in what they do, and it made it so easy for me as an artist to just do the work. That's all they want to do.
So a lot of this art, it's created in 3D tools like Blender or Maya, ZBrush, and animated. And some of the 2D stuff is done in After Effects, and you can get some really cool experiences with these. This is some art we've done with Chris Dyer. He's a he's a cool artist. He's just been getting into the NFT space lately. And these are our 3D animated characters with him. And this is another one with Chris. This is our Swamplex. If you open the Electrifly app, if you guys have that, and you can place down the Swamplex and kind of scale them to make them as large as you want and do different things with him. We have some face filters on our Instagram as well. So we take, and this was for an album release, album art for 12th Planet DJ. So we kind of take this art and we make it something bigger and kind of put like a marketing plan behind it and give people these characters to kind of keep coming back to and use. These are just some more people we've worked with. Charles H. Wright Museum here in Detroit, we did a cool NFT project for them where we took the Detroit Central Station and wrapped it in the art of local Detroit artists. That one's pretty cool. We have that one on our Instagram. And if you guys want to kind of test out making an AR experience, you can sign up for the BrandXR for like a free 30-day trial. And you can use 3D models, animated 3D models, and videos to make some really cool experiences. And yeah, you can email me also if you have any questions about the studio or anything like that. We are hiring, looking for interns, mostly like XR developers and content creators. We just got this best places to work kind of article by Purpose Jobs, and that was really cool. We really keep the creativity like growing and coming at BrandXR and Electrifly, and we're always working on new stuff like every week. So super fun. If anyone has any questions, I'd be happy to answer. But that's about it for me. Thank you guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah, that looked so cool. Do you have any murals like near Wayne campus?
Yeah, if you go to electriflydetroit.com, we have these ones on the flyer here. Actually, we have a map down here. Some in Eastern Market. This one's near the Boston Edison district. This is at the Tangent Gallery. That one's super fun. And then this one is kind of near Wayne State's campus, near Greektown, the Elephant Room.
Oh, that
And
one's
yeah,
by Wayne.
What's that?
So that one's by Wayne. That one's, I think, well, that and Tangent, I think, is maybe the same distance, but
This one, yeah, this one's actually right next to Wayne State's football field, I'm pretty sure. The Armageddon Beach Party Lounge. They don't have that mural up outside anymore, but they have pieces of it inside the store that you can scan and check out. They have a really cool like story behind their art too. It's a really fun place to go visit.
there's some really cool art in there.
Yeah. They throw events too.
I've never been there for one. I know there's like some stuff happens there, but I haven't checked it out yet. I live right there. I don't know why I haven't.
Yeah. I don't think I have either, but we'll probably throw one eventually. They're good friends of ours. We've been working with them since before we were even Electrifly, actually. So
That's cool.
yeah.
I was gonna say, I know I talked to you about this before, but like, what software do you guys like use? I know you mentioned like Blender and Maya, but like, what was the other ones?
So like everything is kind of we implement everything through Unity. And some of the tracking, like floor tracking and image tracking, is with Vuforia.
Cool. Does anyone else have any questions? I was at that, right? I think so. I have a video from.
Yeah, you were at the was it at the Tangent Gallery? Yeah.
Yeah, you were outside. I forgot. Yeah, and Muzzy was playing. I don't
Yeah,
remember.
Muzzy
Yeah.
was playing. That was dope. That was a fun night.
That was a fun night.
But yeah, we have some super fun stuff to check out in Detroit. And if you guys are around, like tag us in any AR clips or something at electrifly.co. And yeah.
Cool. Thank you so much, Malik.
Thank you. Yeah, this was super fun. I love just like talking about what we do.
Yeah. I was gonna say, yeah, you won. What did you win also for Wayne State? You won it was a VR thing. What was it? I'm blanking.
Yeah, I won this the Steam Challenge Award for it was going to be in an immersive like a AR scavenger hunt game, and we changed the name of it. It became Electrifly Detroit, the AR Mural Festival.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's dope. I would say if you want, you can stick around for the meeting. You don't have to.
Yeah, I would love to. Oh, I think I can stop sharing now. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Thank you so much, Malik. That was an awesome
you.
presentation.
Thank you. That was super fun.
I'll share your email too in our Discord also.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay, let me share my screen.
I have a question.
Yeah.
So like this VR stuff, will it be only through like an iPhone on phones, or do you have to use like Oculus Rift or like VR glasses?
Yeah, what we're working on, so we've done a lot of VR stuff in the past, but we're mostly focused on the iPhone stuff just to get the most usage as possible. Clients get the most return out of that because everyone has a smartphone pretty much.
Sure. Yeah, I understand that.
Is Spark
Will you guys explore the other side, or are you guys just focusing on strictly iPhones right now?
We do create them in like professional services projects, but mostly we're focused on AR right now, just because we see the most opportunity there. But once the glasses do come and they get that figured out, like that's we'll be on it, but that's going to be a game changer.
Yeah, for sure. The glasses will be a next step.
Yeah.
is Spark AR only for iPhone, or is that like it doesn't matter?
Spark AR is for Facebook and Instagram to publish effects,
okay.
social effects there. That's a really fun platform to start creating in AR as well.
Cool. Let me share my screen. Okay, so where'd it go? Can you guys see it?
Yes.
Okay. Cool. So well, Malik already talked, but here's the agenda we have today. We just have some updates, some new events, and then our upcoming events. So for the updates, we kind of needed your input on something. So we were doing the coding nights every night, and we had them at 8 o'clock. The leaders talked about switching it to 7, but like not many people are showing up, or like no one's showing up. So we kind of like want to know what you guys want, or like what you guys think about it in general, because like we want everyone to like start practicing coding, but do you want it like less frequently, or I guess what are your opinions on that? you can be honest. Like, we don't care. We're really curious.
There's oh, Monica.
What Monica say? She can make it like 1 or 2 a week, but the time's good. Does anyone else like agree with that? What were you gonna say, Mohammed?
I was gonna say I think the time switch at 7 p.m. is better.
Okay.
In terms of frequency, it's like I know a lot of people have different timings, so I was kind of thinking having it every night. Like maybe we'll see which nights most people don't show up to see which nights are like the nights that work out for more people, and then stick to that one. Maybe we can get like a when to meet link going for that, and then we can decide from there which days we want to do.
Yeah, that works for me. I'm cool with it. The other thing is we're gonna switch to bi-weekly after today. So next week is our next meeting. TBD on the speaker. And then Mohammed's been working on a fundraiser and JD. So
Yes. So we actually wanted to talk about that. So for
yeah, Ms. War, I don't think we're gonna do in-person meetings. Like I know everyone's I know most of my classes are online now, if not all of them. I don't know about you guys.
Yeah, I think virtual is probably going to be the way to go from here on out. We'll see about like maybe later in the semester or next semester. Right now, we're just kind of playing it with COVID, and also the fact that it's it's cold outside. It's a lot easier to do it virtually. But yeah, in regards to the Twitch fundraiser stream, we had an idea to do a fun live stream where you'll see JDeep and I doing a bunch of ridiculous things, like throwing eggs at each other, pouring milk, drinking hot sauce. And this is all just to fundraise some money so that we can keep hosting more and more events. So I wanted to see what opinions you guys had on it. There's a decent amount of work behind it, so I want to make sure it's something that you guys would be interested in watching. I personally think it'd be a lot of fun. I've always, since I've known JD, I've always wanted to throw an egg on his head. So you're definitely gonna see me like enjoying it. Hot tub stream.
Bro.
No hot tub.
You know what's funny? I saw one at Costco for like $300, and I was just like, that could fit in my loft.
Right next to the couch, there's a hot tub.
Literally.
But yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
If you guys are interested in that, let me know. I'm still working on it right now to see if we can get it working. But if you guys had any specific dares or challenges you guys wanted to see us do, feel free to DM me or let me know. But yeah, that's in the works.
Cool. Yeah, like what would you pay $5 to see Muhammad do? Not like that, but like a dare.
Muhammad getting face tattoos.
Oh, I think that's worth more than $5.
Yeah, I was about to say, no way.
I don't know about that. But yeah, sorry. Don't get a face tattoo. Don't do it.
Too late.
No. But yeah, so we just actually got an email about this today. So we're gonna do a restaurant fundraiser. We're gonna have it at Poke Poke. Actually, February 21st. That week is engineering week. So we have a couple events during that week. Which like it happened to work out that way. So which is cool. But it's gonna be all day. Just mention SCD. Thanks, Mizwar. I put the link in our Discord. For some reason, the website we went through, they want 20 people to say they RSVP just so they don't cancel. So they make sure we show up. So like, even if you're not showing up, just click that and say you're doing it, just so they don't cancel it on us. Like, I won't be offended if you don't show up. But yeah, but 20% of everything is gonna go to us. So please bring your friends. We can all go together. We can pick a time. I don't know, but let's help fundraise, please. Another thing is, I don't know if you guys knew this, but Sandra told me that the College of Engineering, we have a lot of corporate partners, and they actually just got Rocket, Quicken Loans to be their new partner. And she connected me with a girl named Rachel who works for them, and she was a technical recruiter, and now she's a technical developer. But her job is she wants to teach students different things through workshops. So Sandra connected her with me, and they're going to do some workshops for us in the future. And the first one is going to be a computer science resume and interview workshop, because I'm not sure if you guys knew, but Cedric doesn't work for Wayne anymore. So this is gonna help fill the void, which is sad because I love Cedric. But they're gonna do this on Zoom March 4th at 4 p.m. Yeah, if anyone had questions about that, let me know. But yeah, she says she knows exactly what people are looking for because obviously, that was her job. But yeah, so upcoming events. I know you guys heard us talk about this forever, but the hackathon is this weekend. If you're not signed up, you should totally sign up. Check-in begins at 5. You should have got an email today with the Discord link. The opening ceremony starts at 6, where we're gonna announce the theme, and you can get your team and start hacking. You can get a team now if you want. Some people are looking in the Discord. I don't think no one's confirmed who's on their team, but yeah, and we're gonna have $1,000 worth of prizes given out, so which is dope.
There's some cool prizes coming up, by the way, guys.
Yeah, like
cool prizes.
And even if you can't, like if you don't have time to work on a project all weekend, we do have workshops. We have, what do you call it? I'm sorry, it's been a long day.
Coding challenges.
Yeah, we have coding challenges.
Game events.
Yes. So come hang out, come check it out, win something cool. It'll be a lot of fun. And you'll be snowed in this weekend anyway. So and our judges are all Wayne professors. So that's cool. But yeah, here's our upcoming events. You've heard us talk about these a lot. But if you want to sign up, go to our Get Involved or they're in our Discord. But yeah, anyone have any questions or suggestions? I know we kind of asked already. Who's going to the hackathon? Is anyone in here going to participate? Well, yeah. I know. No, Monica. All the workshops are pretty like 101 classes. Hani is going to teach you NX, the basics. I think Kylie and Muhammad did the workshop last semester, and you guys didn't have experience, right?
No.
Yeah, but he's going to print out the 3D thing that you make at Wayne, and then you can come pick it up in that SCD room when we figure out that time next week. So you get a little something to bring home.
The NX workshop is actually really cool. I don't know if you guys, actually not a lot of people participated last semester, but it was one of those workshops that I think was, it's really cool. Hani does a good job at teaching it. And then afterwards, I made like last semester, I made a little keycap, and I got one of the abilities for one of my character that I like in a video game, and I got it 3D printed on top of the keycap, and I assigned that to the game. So now on my keyboard, I have all my keys, and then that specific key doesn't have like A or B on it. It has the actual logo. And I don't know if I'm just a nerd, but I thought that was so cool. And it's really cool what you can do with that kind of stuff. And then having a physical thing in your hand to show for it after is really cool.
I thought it was cool. I never thought of that too.
Mm-hmm.
We're still working on the 4th workshop. There's gonna be a 4th one. We're still kind of figuring that out. But the other 3 are confirmed. And also for the Pixel one, whatever you make in the Pixel one, you can use to help craft your NFT, because the professor is gonna teach you how to make an NFT.
And I believe they're right after each other too. I believe it's the Pixel workshop, and then the next workshop after that is the NFT workshop too. So yeah.
Oh yeah, and I'm just gonna tell you guys, he's also giving out for people, everyone that attends gets a free NFT. So yeah, come show up. Yeah, did anyone else have any questions? No. Cool. I guess we can end the meeting. I hope that you guys enjoy your snow day. I hope we get a snow day tomorrow. Please.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you guys need anything, just message us in the Discord.
All right. Thank you, everybody.
Good night.
Bye, guys.
Guys. Toodles.